Welcome guys once again to my YouTube channel. My name is Kwame Bless Wins. You can call me Wins for short. We are going to talk quickly about the Vodafone data bundle offers. Somewhere before the ending of last year, they increased their bundle offers to about 15%. And Vodafone was what the guys were using. Yeah, I used to do Vodafone bundles a lot, but right now I am unable to because the charges have gone up. And I'm sure you are also unable to, but they still have some cheap bundle offers that I'm going to be sharing with you in a moment. If you are new to the channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button, like this video. I'm going to take you right into my mobile phone and show you how you can be able to get this cheap Vodafone bundle. It is the cheapest this year after the 15% increment. So to be able to access this bundle offer, you are going to dial *530# and then you send to Vodafone. Now this is the Vodafone made for me offer. If you look at the option 1, we have the 1 Ghana, and the 1 Ghana is you subscribe for as low as 1 Ghana cedis and you get 1 GB of data. You get 20 minutes all network calls, but it is restricted from 5 a.m. to 11:59 a.m. So before 12 noon, this bundle will expire, and this is the cheapest Vodafone bundle offer you can get this year. So if you are the data type, you like to use a lot of data, this Vodafone 1 Ghana is for you. So you can dial it is *530#, Vodafone made for me, *530#, then you choose option 1. It goes for 1 Ghana cedis. The interesting part of this data bundle is that because it runs from 5 a.m. to 11:59 a.m., when you subscribe to the 1 Ghana bundle offer and then it expires before 11:59, you can be able to subscribe again and get another 1 gig. And right now there is MTN free call. I'll do a video on that very soon. So if you are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification, like this video, comment and share. In my next video, I'm going to talk about the MTN free call. That is what I'm actually using right now, and a lot of people are using it. As Ghana, they won't tell you about it, but right here we'll tell you everything. My name is Kwame Bless Wins. You can call me Wins for short. See you in the next one. Bye.